Did you know some candle sellers in Hyderabad are making candles for just 40 rupees and selling them for 299 rupees? And the biggest secret is not candle making, it's buying raw materials at the right wholesale market. In today's video, I will show you where to buy candle raw materials in Hyderabad, which materials are best for beginners, real price ranges, how wholesalers trick beginners, and how you can start your own candle business with a small budget. So don't skip this video. Taking you inside one of Hyderabad's top candle material wholesale markets where you can buy wax, fragrance oils, jars, wicks, molds, colors, and everything needed to start a profitable candle business. Plus, I will also share actual wholesale prices and beginner tips, so watch till the end. To start candle making, these are the basic materials you need: soya wax, paraffin wax, cotton wicks, fragrance oils, candle dyes, glass jars, silicone molds, packing boxes. Here are the approximate wholesale prices in Hyderabad. Paraffin wax will cost 110 to 140 per kg. Soya wax will cost 180 to 250 per kg based on the brand. Fragrance oils may cost 80 to 250 per 50 ml based on the fragrance and its the availability. And cotton wicks, it may cost between 150 to 300 per bundle. Candle jars may cost from 25 to 80 rupees each. Sometimes we may get it in less also, but when we go to the Begum Bazaar like that, silicone molds will be available within 150 to 600 range. If you buy materials retail, your candle profit becomes very low, but wholesale purchasing can increase your profit margin by 30 to 50%. A scented candle costing 70 rupees to make and can sell online for 250 to 500 rupees. Festivals, weddings, gifting and Instagram business are creating huge demand right now. Who buys candles today? For home decor customers, wedding planners, gift shops, caves and restaurants, Instagram stores, cooperative gifting companies. Even students and homemakers are earning extra income from candle business at home. Before purchasing materials, remember these important tips. Always test wax quality first. Compare fragrance strength. Buy sample quantities before bulk orders. Ask for wholesale discount on large purchases. Check if supplier provides delivery services. Up to now, we checked what are the things we need to get for starting a candle making business, and what are the things we need to checklist before buying the candle raw materials from the wholesalers. We checked that one. Now we go to the actual candle suppliers details. One will be the Kailash candle raw materials. This is located in West Maredpalli, Secunderabad, and here we can get soya wax, jars, fragrance oils, wicks, molds. These all will be available in Kailash suppliers, and their phone number also will be mentioned in the next to me. Then second one will be the Luxury Deco Resin Art Store in Hyderabad. It's located in Himayat Nagar. Here we can get premium jars, molds, candle supplies like for example dry flowers, the flowers, mica powders, these and all will be available. Third will be the Itsy Bitsy. It's located in the Madharpur. It's a beginner candle makers, craft materials will be available, DIY kits also available. Fourth one will be the Lucky Candles, located in Pragati Nagar near JNTU. It's not available, I think, but I will mention the phone number. If you check once before you need to go to this place. Fifth one will be the Golden Candle Works. It located in the GD Metla. Here wholesale candle production will be available. And next, Neol Candle Factory. These and all will be the wholesale candle factories. Here we can get these wax materials. There's also Craft Area Hyderabad, candlesupplies.com, Matin Matin Implex and V Candles will be the online suppliers. Here we can order the sample products first, then if you are satisfied, then order in the bulk. And these all are will provide the home deliveries also. If you want supplier contact details, candle making tutorials, or a complete candle business guidance, comment candle business below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more wholesale market videos from Hyderabad.